watching you grow, going through the changes in your life. That's how I know that I really want to be there whenever you need friends to call on me, pulling you through in everything that you do. So let me be there in your mornings, let me be there in your nights, and let me change whatever's wrong, make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All that I ask you is let me be there. Let me be there in your mornings, let me be there in your nights. Let me change whatever's wrong, make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All that I ask you is let me be there. All that I ask you is let me be there. Oh, let me be there. Let me be there in your mornings. Let me be there in your nights. Let me change whatever's wrong, make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All that I ask you is let me be there. All I ask you is let me be there. Oh, let me be there.
Mahal nyo ng kanyang pinsan si Karen Freeland sa Take One of It All habang inintay-kwet.
Born in the heat of the desert, find with the tide giving me life, cry for the love of a father, blame for the loss of his wife. You know, Lord, I've been in a prison for something that I've never done. Spit on him after another, I climbed them all one by one. Oh, but this time, Lord, you gave me a mountain that I may never climb. It isn't on a hill any longer. You gave me a mountain this time. Gadawan lumray gabalante, torrodd fy nghalon yn ddwy. Yn yr galion, does dim ar ôl i mi bellach, fedrai dioddef i mwy. I ada'r hael o fy mywyd, i ada'r cyfan i gyd, i ada'r cwbl y gennyf, i ada'r we o fy byd. Oh, but this time, Lord, you gave me a mountain that I may never climb. It isn't on a hill any longer.
geiriau Cymraeg i Saesneg gan adnabyddus iawn, siŵr chi gyd yn amlu. Yn fel hyn. Croeso i fyny Anna oed i fewn Dawryddiad wela i Ambell dro yn iawn Cama mewn i'n canol i Gad y mwynhau fynd Croeso i fyny A ffaith a gadael Fil ac agor i ddydresau Gwyl a ffeindiau fi Gofyn am ei geidi heb oedi Y goriad i fy nghalon i Disgwyl fyddai grym Gyda breichiau hyd Disgwyl mond am ti I groeso i fyny Croeso i fyny
Ond mae lot o bobl yn dweud bod fi chydig bach o pianist. Pianist. So, na'r galw na'n iawn, dweud. So, do'n i'n mynd i ddangos faint o pianist ydw i heddo. Mae bach o look efo'r gan yma. Mae'n helpu os ydych chi chwifio'ch dilo yn edrych mwy impression. Anyway, so dwi'n gorffen efo hon. So dwi'n gyda'n o fraint fod yma heno, cos mae gen I fabi bach sy'n dyflu ddwan, ac oedden ni yn tu Enfys oherwydd bod Lowry wedi cael ei geni 9 wsos yn fuan, 10 wsos yn fuan. So oedden ni'n defnyddio lot o tu Enfys ac o'n godsend i ni. Ac diolch yn rhedeg ar unrhyw, dwi'n gael dim pres mond yn rhedeg ar donations, so diolch fawr i bob un yn eich ddod heno i gefnogi gwerth ffantastig. Diolch fawr i bob un. Mae'r ganes yma i bawb sydd yna heno sydd yn mynd trwy beth ni'n mynd drwy, ond da ni wedi dod allan o'n i'n smelling of roses fel mae'r llais yn dweud. So mae'r ganes yma i bawb sydd yna heno. When you walk through the storm, hold your head high. Don't be afraid of the dark. At the end of a storm, there's a golden sky. And the sweet silver sun of the world. Walk on through the wind, walk on through the rain, though your dreams be tough and torn. Walk on, with hope in your hearts, and you'll never walk alone. You'll never walk alone.
Un gair